Hey everybody, it's Chef Paul and Cooking with Stars. Morning Glory Muffins is just 2 days away as we get to celebrate National Grandparents Day with a free baking Zoom this Sunday at 10 a.m. So whether you're a grandparent or you remember such fond memories cooking with your Bubbe or your Nonna or your Abuela or your Savta, this Zoom is for you. We're all going to gather in our kitchens all across the country to make Morning Glory Muffins, the original recipe from the Morning Glory Café on Nantucket Island. This recipe is touted by Gourmet Magazine as one of the best 25 recipes over the last 50 years. And the price to you guys, $0. All you have to do is join us by registering at cookingwithstars.com. Come make a memory, make a delicious treat, and we'll see you there.